Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with the 201 star drop opening. We have an event going on that I'll get to in just a second. Rare. 25 power points. For the second star drop. Super rare. 100 coins.
Super rare.
The third is super rare as well. 50 coins. So for anyone that hasn't seen yet, the Supercell team is hosting another shooting star drops-esque event called Brawl Together, where we apparently need 16 billion takedowns, or 16 million, I forget which, either way, it's a lot, and apparently they're going to account for this by giving us a bunch of quests. So I already completed a bunch of the extra ones, which were press play again, which are arguably much easier in my opinion, but apparently I need to play 9 matches in a team, which I find annoying, but it's 3000 XP, so it'd be pretty sad to miss out on that, so I suppose I'll have to do that at least. But other than that, there's plenty of rewards to get. I'll try to put a link to their video so you can understand how it all works. It's essentially the same thing for a certain amount of takedowns. We hit milestones, we get different rewards. Other than that, again, you should just watch the video to understand it all. But it's a pretty exciting time, again, in Brawl Stars, with the new brawlers being out, Larry and Glory, again, if you consider them two brawlers, I don't know. But for the daily freebie, we have 15 coins. And 10 power points. So again, I don't think much else significance has happened since yesterday. Besides the whole, fact that we have a new event in the game right now. Other than that, let's see. Today I have no XP doublers, sadly. I'm hoping I can get at least a few because apparently every time we get the coins, the coin milestone, if you have XP doublers, it will double that in addition to the, what they're calling it, but it's essentially, because they switched it to XP now, or used to be token doublers, now it's XP doublers, or something like that. Essentially, you'd be getting like 4 times the coins or something, which in Brawl Stars is very significant right now, because instead of having your power points converted to coins, you now just have a lot of power points that you can't use on anything. So, anyway, I have 21,474 power points. And again, the event is great, and there's plenty. There's gonna be a lot of star drops to open in the coming times. But please just add back the power point count. Why do I need this many power points? Yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the events, and something else I'd like to point out is, unlike the kit offer, you can actually press try, and believe it or not, you can actually try them now. With kit, for some reason, it was glitched and you just couldn't try the character. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty obvious this character is really overpowered. Again, I'm just testing, I believe it's level 1, trying them in the lobby, and he's still just really powerful. Just look at this, it's nonsense. That's not even involving that broken star power, and especially in Heist. But other than that, something else I wanted to say. I did see a funny post saying that apparently the Stonks Pam skin is pay to win because it's harder to tell where your shots are going because the arrows look like they're gonna curve but they go straight. Again, I don't know if that's true, I just thought that was pretty funny. I swear there was something else though. I don't remember what it was. It may have boss fight, don't miss out on that. I believe it's for every takedown, it counts as 2 times if you press play again, or if you are playing in a team. But what I'm really interested to know, and also comment this down below guys if you know, is do you think it counts in solo showdown if you press play again? Because again, the whole point is to play together, so I'm hoping it does, because again, I mainly play solo showdown, but I have no idea. Other than that, guys, again, just let me know what you think about those two things, and let's see how far I can take this.